In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Klaviyo. If you want to automatically send your Typeform entries into Klaviyo so you can organize contacts and follow up more efficiently, this setup is a great place to start. The connection is fairly simple, and once it's in place, new responses from your form can be sent directly to the Klaviyo list you choose. To begin, open your Typeform workspace and go to the Connect tab for the form you want to use. This is where Typeform lets you link your form to other tools and services. If you have multiple forms, make sure you're working with the correct one before you continue, since the connection will apply to that specific form. Once you're in the Connect area, look for Klaviyo in the list of available integrations. You can usually scroll through the options or use the search bar to find it faster. When you see Klaviyo, click Connect to begin the integration setup. Next, Typeform will ask you to authorize the connection using your Klaviyo API key. This key allows Typeform to securely send information into your Klaviyo account. At this stage, be careful to use the correct key from the right Klaviyo account, especially if you manage more than one workspace. After entering the key, complete the authorization so the two platforms can communicate properly. After the connection is authorized, you'll be asked to choose the destination Klaviyo list for incoming entries. This is the list where new contacts from your Typeform responses will be added. Take a moment to select the right list because this choice affects how your leads or subscribers will be organized inside Klaviyo. If you use different lists for different audiences, make sure the one you select matches the purpose of the form. The final part of the setup is mapping your Typeform response fields to Klaviyo user profile properties. In simple terms, this means deciding which answers from your form should be saved into which contact fields in Klaviyo. For example, a name field in Typeform should match the appropriate profile field in Klaviyo, and the same goes for email and any other details you're collecting. Review these mappings carefully so your contact data stays clean and useful. Once everything looks correct, save the integration. That's it. Your Typeform responses will now be connected to Klaviyo according to the list and field mappings you selected.